If Slack is showing an error processing message, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps you can try to get Slack sending messages normally again. If this helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, the easiest thing to try is refreshing the page or restarting the app. If you're using Slack in your browser, reload the tab. If you're on the desktop app or mobile app, close Slack completely and open it again. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary glitch and a fresh reload is enough to clear it. If that doesn't work, the next step is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Slack to fail while processing a message. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run a speed test and see if your connection is stable. If the internet is slow or dropping, try switching networks, reconnecting to Wi-Fi, or waiting until the connection improves before sending the message again. After that, try typing the message again. Sometimes the content itself can trigger the error. If your message is very large, try shortening it. If it contains unusual special characters, copy and paste formatting, or a lot of symbols, remove those and send a simpler version. This can help you identify whether the message content is causing the problem. If the message still will not go through, remove any attachments or links and resend it. Files, images, pasted links, or rich text formatting can sometimes interfere with Slack processing. Send the plain message first without attachments, and if that works, add the file or link back in afterward. That makes it much easier to figure out what is causing the error. If you've tried all of these steps and Slack is still giving you trouble, the issue may be temporary on Slack's side or tied to your browser cache, app version, or workspace settings. In that case, try updating Slack, clearing your cache, or signing out and back in. So to recap, refresh Slack, check your internet speed, retype the message with simpler text, and remove attachments or links before resending. These steps solve most Slack error processing message problems very quickly. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy fixes, step-by-step walkthroughs, and software help just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.